Hi, this is John with .The. And as I have a small kitchen, for me, the most important thing is the optimization of space. And this is where this Apex Artifact strainer comes into place. And I get really excited about this because I know how important it is to keep everything tidy. And once I got this strainer that is high quality when it comes to materials, it has a nice coating. The build construction is built like a tank. It's not gonna get rusted. It has a nice paint that has a great layer, and it just gives you everything. You can put the cutting board. It has a nice strainer that it has this artifact or bottom that is like a nice channel that it will take all the water that it catches from the top and drain it all the way to the sink. And it's just wonderful. It has so many options for me to storage, like this utensils, wooden spatulas. You can have it. You can have all these different things that you can just place the cups, and all in just a small compartment. It's not gonna take all this space from your kitchen, and it just works wonders. And I'm really excited about this. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.